Okay. Hello. My name is Yumas Giananda. Now, actually, I want to share about Care Yourself. Care Yourself is the human journey services for home care service. And then here I would like to presentations about Care Yourself. Thank you for taking the time for joining these presentations. Today, I'm excited to share the journey of Care Yourself. This is the platform dedicated to providing reliability, high quality, and personalized home care services. Using the design thinking approach, we've we have tackled critical challenges in the home care sectors and developed innovative solutions to enhance the experience for patients, families, nurses, and healthcare partners. Okay, let's start. What is the Care Yourself? Yeah, Care Yourself was created to bridge a significant gap in the home care industry. Yeah, like accessibility, trustworthy, and high quality services. Our mission is very simple to make personalized care available to everyone while empowering healthcare professional and building trust with the family. In this presentation, I will take the our journey services using the five stage of decision thinking. It's about the empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. And then there is the empathy stage to understand the needs and challenge of care yourself. Key stakeholders. The first one is patients. The first question is what do they value most in the home care services? Trust, reliability, personalized care, or something like that. Yeah. And then the second one, it's about the empathy stage of the families. What are they concerned about hiring home care services for safety, affordability? Yeah, there is the choice for the families. Yeah, when families thinking about the home care, what they think about the home care, of course, they will think about the safety and affordability. And then how about the nurses? Yeah, nurse will think the empathy stage is what the challenge do they face in providing quality care. Some like the scheduling conflict, skill and capability. Yeah, when nurse join in home care, yeah, they always think how to manage a scheduling time. And then when they meet a patient, is it capable or not when facing the patients? And then how about the healthcare partners like clinics and hospital? How can collaboration with the carrier self, of course, when they are become a partner, of course, they always thinking that how we can collaboration with the carrier self. There's the stage of empathy. Uh, there are the patient, family, nurses, and healthcare partners. Well, based on the problem, yeah, carrier self have the some problem like the human resources challenges. Yeah, the problem is how to managing a reliability team of capable. Yeah, trainers who can meet the scheduling demands of patient is challenging. Yeah, because um there's very difficult to arrange the patient visit schedules, and especially when handling multiple client with varying needs. Of course, it's very difficult. There's the big problem in human resources challenges. And then what is the impact when we meet the problem in care yourself? Of course, inconsistent scheduling leads to delays. Yeah. When we don't have a good system schedule, of course, uh, it will be meet the bad effect, yeah, for our customers. Yeah. And then it will be reduce this patient satisfactions, and then the potential of availability staff, it very is very dangerous, yeah, of course, and impacting to the overall quality of care. And then the other problem is the ordering mechanism. Yeah, the problem is order scheduling are handled manually. Yeah, it's totally manual. Yeah, in carry yourself order process is very manual. Yeah, it's make a possibility of high risk human error. Yeah, without the good system, of course, there is the big problem for us. The impact is the lack of automated system and slow down response time, of course. Yeah, because it's very manual process. And then we find that same day service limitations. Of course, when customer requires someday, it's very difficult for us, yeah, to keep and then to manage our nurse to can visit as a schedule by request by patient. Yeah, there is the impact. The impact not being able to meet same day request. Yeah, can make our business reputation is not good. Absolutely. And then the another problem is the sales growth, of course. Yeah, the sales performance need improvement to maintain and grow the business. Yeah, without the increasing sales, there is the impact. Yeah, the business may struggle to cover operating costs, reduce resource of for improvement, and miss opportunity for growth. Of course, in many things of the business, yeah, and we're talking about our business. Of course, we need to increase about the sales performance. So that's why we very concerned about this sales. And then the another stage, I define that carry yourself from the empathy. We can define that how might carry yourself provide a seamless, personalized, and reliable home care experience that satisfy the patients, reassure families, and support nurse. Of course, there is the some something that we have to make a solution in this stage. And then when we going to idiot stage, yeah, there is four concern, yeah, in idiot stage. The first one is service accessibility and affordability. What is this? It's about introduce apps, maybe using apps or web based, yeah, for easy booking, yeah, real time updates, and patient nurse matching. Of course, we also introduce tiering pricing plans based on services. We have to make our service is very affordability for patients, for family patients. And then the second one is how to enhance nurse support and good quality nurse. Yeah. By over flexible scheduling and make sure provide a good quality nurse. Yeah, there's a very big important for us to make our nurse is very good performance, very good capacity and capability, of course. And then we have to make a patient trust. Yeah, develop a transparent communication and of course the coordination between patient and nurse. Yeah, because the communication is very important for us. Yeah, carry yourself give a big and the best services because concern about the communication between patient and nurse. Yeah, very transparent. Yeah, between patient and nurse. When patient have something trouble with their sick, of course the nurse have to communicate it to the family and then give the best solution, of course. And then we have to make a collaboration with the others. Yeah, make a collaboration with hospital and clinic to enhance our services, yeah, and sales to make a business running well. Of course, carry yourself to enhancing to enhance the sales performance. Of course, we have to make it collaboration with the others, with the partner, of course, like a clinic, like a and the hospital, yeah, something like that. There is the idea stage. How about the prototype stage? Yeah, prototype stage, of course, actually we have two point. The first one is digital platform by web based. We have carryourself.id. Yeah, and then the prototype. The second prototype is service packages. Yeah, what is the service packages? Of course, we give the best service for our client, for our patients. Yeah. In digital platform, we provide web-based carryyourself.id. Of course, the prototype it will be share. Yeah, it will be share. Of course, it will be improved by the time. Yeah, and then we also provide link3 dot ee and then / carryyourself.id. There is the process manual order manual process how to booking uh, career self services, and we provide this to access the patients. And then we have a service packages. Our service is professional nurse care. It's about 24 hours, and caregiver for 24 hours too. We have a nurse, we have a physiotherapy, and then we provide about the home care laboratorium checkup. And then, of course, we can open the collaborations with the partner, yeah, like a sharing fee and marketing kits display. And there's the testing of stage. The testing of stage is actually the career self is running well, yeah. And then we also receive many requests from patients. It's proof that our business is approved, yeah, by patient. Yeah, of course, this is we have a big market, yeah, in our services. And then this is proven by request by customer, and then this is proven by we have a nurse, yeah, the team nurse, and then we have done in every activities like the internal training nurse, we have it, and then we have many nurse from several area in Jabodetabek. Of course, we want to enhance our services in the another cities like Bandung, Semarang, Surabaya, and many cities. And then we have customers. There's our team, yeah, team career ourselves. Of course, there's not only testing anymore, but we going to prove that our business is very running well. There's the team carry yourself, and then we have done our workshop carry yourself in the last time, and then there is the proven by handling patient. Of course, we have several patients in the last month. Yeah, we have handled many patients. This is the example that we have stroke patients. Yeah, and then we care in home from the hospital, and then we bring it to the home. And after that, career ourselves is not only business need for tests, but this is the business have done, and then until now is still running well. Thank you. I think it's all from me. My name is Yumas Giananda. Yeah, I'm from SBM ATB. Thank you.